places. Isn't that where they golf?
That's just one thing that's important in my life.
New York is not for little wussies who scream.
Pick up a date, maybe 7 or 8.
Paris and London, oh baby, you can't keep.
Baby, you can't keep. Baby, you can't keep. Other cities always make me mad. Other places always make me sad. No other city ever make me glad except New York, New York. It's a wonderful town. I love New York. I love New York. We've sailed the seas and we've been the world over. Made the Mandalay. We've seen the Sphinx and we've seen the cliffs of Dover. And we can safely say, New York.